Good morning, year one. I hope you're all okay. This is going to be our first phonics lesson. But before we start, I just wanted to quickly show you our work pack that I have made for you. So these will be available to collect from school from tomorrow. It's really important that you collect these because inside is all our English, maths, reading, phonics, science, art, PE, all sorts of subjects that are inside this pack. And what I've done is I've printed off all the worksheets for you, so then you can keep them all as one pack, and then when you next collect your next work pack, you can bring this in completed, and then I can mark it for you. I don't want to put too much pressure on. I'm happy for you to do a little bit of work each day. I don't expect you to complete the whole thing in 2 days. We've got 2 weeks to complete it, so no pressure at all. Okay, let's get started with our phonics lesson. All you will need today is a pen, some paper, and your listening ears, please. So let's get started. So we have got some tricky words in front of us. So remember, our tricky words, we can't sound them out using our phonics hands. We need to learn them. So as soon as we see the word, we just know what that word represents. So I'll help you. I say but, you say. I say she, you say. I say do, you say. I say her, you say. Okay, lovely. What I would like you to do now is I would like you to practice writing your tricky words down in your neatest handwriting, and I would like you to say the words out loud. So remember, they always creep up, these tricky words, in our phonics lessons, so I really want you to remember them. So you can pause me and you can practice writing those down. Off you go. Lovely. So now we have got, well, you should see on your screen our new grapheme that we're learning today. So the grapheme in front of you is represented by the sound or the phoneme O. Okay, I say O, you say. Lovely. So again, can you practice writing our new phoneme down? And whilst you're doing that, have a little think. Can you think of any words with our phoneme O in? Okay, let's see if any of your words match up to mine. So let's practice reading these together. So remember, when we're reading new words, we use our phonics hands to help us segment the word, and then we blend it together. Okay, you ready? O, loaf. O, oak. T, toad. Okay, could you practice writing those words down, please? Remember, using your phonics hands to help you read those words. Right, we're going to practice now reading a sentence that I have on our board. So you will have noticed, what do I have at the beginning of my sentence? I have got a capital letter, and that is represented by the colour green to show it is a capital letter. I've also made sure I've put finger spaces in between each word so you can clearly read the word and that the sentence makes sense. I also included at the end of my sentence a full stop, and that is represented by the colour red, just like we do in class. Okay, if you want to pause me and you want to have a go at reading the sentence yourself, that'd be brilliant. So you can do that, and then we'll read the sentence together. Okay, let's read it together. She put on her coat, but she can't do her zip up. Okay, let's read that one more time. She put on her coat, but she can't do her zip up. Ooh, I think I have noticed a word with our focus phoneme in. I'm wondering if you can too. If you can you point to it on the screen? Okay, we should have noticed o t, coat. Lovely. Also, can you see any of our tricky words that we've learnt today? I think I can spot a few. I think I can spot she, her, and but, and I've used those a couple of times in my sentence. Right, so we've practiced reading our new phoneme. What I would like us to do now is practice some writing. So here I have got some pictures, and underneath I have got our phoneme frames. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to represent the picture using the word. Okay, so what is this a picture of? And what is this a picture of? Then I would like you to write in the sounds in our phoneme frame. So this time we've only got 1, 2, 3. So this word is composed of 3 sounds. Okay. Again, you can pause me and then we will have a go at writing the words together. Off you go. Lovely. So let's have a go at writing the words in our phoneme frame. Mine's not going to be as neat as yours because I'm doing mine on my mouse, which is a little bit tricky. So yours is definitely going to be neater than mine. So here we've got a picture of a coat. So we should have k, o. Remember in our new phoneme, an o and an a represent the sound o. So k, o, t. Okay, let's try that with our phonics hands. K, o, t, coat. Lovely. Now we have some soap. So I've got o. Oh, why is this not working? O. Oh, I don't think my board likes me today. O. Lovely. O. Soap. Perfect. Well done if you got those spellings correct. Okay, so now I have got another sentence on my board. I would like you to read the sentence to yourself or to a family member, but I wonder if you've noticed something. Okay, so they went in the boat. Oof, I think I've noticed something there. I think Miss Husband was half asleep when she wrote this sentence. What do you think I have missed? Well done if you noticed that I missed my capital letter at the beginning of my sentence. So I'm going to correct that. I'm going to get my green pen. And I have done my capital T for they. Okay, and what do I need at the end of my sentence? I need a full stop. The one thing I did get right though is that I put finger spaces in between each word. So I use this picture and I thought of my sentence. They went in the boat. So I've got 5 words there. I didn't check my sentence because I didn't see that I missed my capital letter. So make sure when you're writing your sentence that you include your capital letter, your finger spaces, and your full stop nice and clearly. If you want to challenge yourself, I would like you to include a conjunction. Okay, that could be and or but. So I would like you now to think of a sentence. You've got the same picture as me, so you could use my sentence to help you, or you could challenge yourself and think of your own sentence or even a couple of sentences. Please share them on WeDoc or you could message me on WeDoc and I can have a look that way, because I really do enjoy seeing all your work. Okay, I hope you have fun doing this phonics lesson. I've also uploaded some maths for you to be getting on with today. And then again, your work pack will be ready to collect tomorrow, and I will start learning from the work pack from tomorrow. Okay, miss you all. Bye.